To track spending with Pocketguard, start by downloading and installing the app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account and link your financial institutions, including banks, credit cards, and loans. This will allow Pocketguard to automatically track your income and expenses. Next, set up your budget by categorizing your expenses into groups such as housing, transportation, and food. Pocketguard will automatically assign transactions to these categories, but you can also manually adjust them as needed. You can also set budget goals for each category to help you stay on track. One of the key features of Pocketguard is its ability to track your daily spending in real time. The app will send you notifications when you make a purchase, and you can quickly see how much you have left to spend in each category. You can also view your spending history to identify areas where you can cut back and make adjustments to your budget. In addition to tracking your spending, Pocketguard also provides a feature called In My Pocket, which shows you how much money you have available to spend after accounting for bills, savings, and debt payments. This helps you avoid overspending and stay within your means. To get the most out of Pocketguard, it's essential to regularly review and update your budget. Check the app daily to ensure that your transactions are being accurately tracked and categorized. You can also use the app's reporting features to see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps and using Pocketguard consistently, you can gain a clear understanding of your spending habits and make positive changes to your financial situation. Remember to stay on top of your finances by regularly monitoring your spending and making adjustments to your budget to ensure you're on track to meet your financial goals.